What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. About to head to the airport back to Pittsburgh for a day. But man, there's all these Ross and Burlington on the way. Let's go. Starting off in the men's active, just nothing to show you guys. Look at this, like this, just low end stuff like this, NFL apparel. Just nothing we're showing y'all. Another team apparel. This one's a little bit better. Justin Herbert, $30. Not too shabby. Everything's pressed on, super thin. Just when I started talking too much trash, Mitchell and S Padres shirt. This ain't bad. This is not bad. Normally $40 down to $15. Pretty dope Padres shirt, Mitchell and S. That is a large. And then right next to, oh, got two of them in a row. Fanatics Golden Knights t-shirt. This is pretty dope. Yeah, these bad boys come for $8. Yeah, that's what's up. Checking out the men's section. This is the size mediums and active. Not too bad. Fleece hoodie. This is an Adidas fleece hoodie right here. Go for $17, normally $40. Do got a Padres hoodie right here. This is what normally $40 down to $15. Mitchell and S Dodgers shirts. These are freaking fire. These are fire, dude. $40. These are Cooperstown collection, dude. $40 down to what? $15? $15. These are medium. These are fire, dude. And got a few different ones right here, all mediums. That's dope. That is dope. Am I gonna have to grab one? I think I'm gonna have to grab one. Super Mario hoodie. This is a size small. Go for $15. Oh, it's a large. It's a kid's large though. I don't know. This looks pretty big actually. Never mind. Marked small right here, but it is a large. $15. That's not bad. Then am seeing a couple more of these Padres ones. These are a large. And yeah, these are $15. Normally $40. Not too bad for Mitchell and S shirts. Do got some sneakers. Let's look at the sneaker section. And then of course we do have the Burlington exclusives, the Burlington specials right here. $40 for the Trae Young 2s. Been seeing these everywhere. All along the different states. Do got some superstars going for $40 with some nice suede on the back. You get a free bottle of Sprite, or empty bottle of Sprite for free. You bought what are these Zig Techs or something, going for $30. Size 11s. Got some 12s, got some 13s, more 13s. Got a couple of Hardens I've never seen before. There's a 14.5. Never seen these Hardens before, as well as this colorway right here. This is a huge one as well. This is a 14.5 as well. Some random Hardens. I missed these and ones. Would anybody scoop these up for $20? More Grant Hills. We've been seeing a plethora of these in various sizes. $35 for those. And that's it with the men's section. All right, all the way on the other side, they do have women's shoes. All right. Let's go. These ain't bad, size 11. Got some old school Reeboks down to $17. That's a size 11. Of course, we always see plenty of these going for $30. Grand Hill 2s. They actually do have a lot of stuff, but not much really to show you guys. A bunch of Fila's, Nauticas, Stan Smith ripoffs. That's about it. I'm gonna be honest, I really want these, but dang, they only have 2 registers open. There's a pretty decent line. I need to hurry up and check out a few spots and go to the airport. I'm gonna leave these, man. Dang it. Same shopping center, short drive. Let's go. Man, I'm kind of sad I wasn't able to buy that Dodgers shirt. But yeah, man. This Ross. Look at this. Another Jordan UCLA pullover. These are freaking fire. $25 for these. Normally $85. And they got a polo. This polo looks ugly though. That's going for $20. Dodgers baseball shirt. $13 for those. Stitches brand, never heard of that one. Then do got a Murray jersey, Kyler Murray. If you are an Arizona fan, y'all should be out because there's so many of these jerseys. These are a size small right here. But yeah, these are the on-field jerseys, $130 down to $40, man. I know they got new jerseys coming, but who cares, man? These are on sale. Nike Tampa Bay Rays shirt going for $10. NFL team apparel brand, $12. That's so worth it. $12. This is a size large. If you're a Chargin fan, that's fire. Another Kyler Murray jersey. This is a size large. Bills hoodie, $15 for NFL apparel brand. Christian McCaffrey jersey. This is a double XL. I know a lot of people have been getting excited about these. Some of them have been authentics. This is just on field. The pressed on numbers, $130. And then of course they got Jalen Hurts, double XL right here. This is a Super Bowl one that we've been finding a lot of. And then Kyler Murray one right here. So 3 fire jerseys in a row, double XL. Another one of these in XL. Then an All-Star Weekend shirt here for $6. This is not bad. This is an XL Majestic brand. And no Mitchell and S love again. Some of y'all finding 6, 7 in a row. I'm finding nothing in a row. All right, whatever. All right, I don't even like Mitchell and S brand anyways. I don't. No, I'm just joking. I haven't been able to find jack. 20 plus trips. I think I found like 1 or 2. Project Rock slides, and these alarms about to go off. $22 for those. Some Hoka Clifton 8s. These are fire. Got one of these for one of my kiddos. I got some Clifton 8. These are Hoka One brand. Did get one of these for my boy. $80 for those. That's a 13. Tiny LeBron 6.5 youth right here. Price is $50 for those. That's pretty good for the women. That's not bad. Or if you have a kid. More Project Rock, $22 for these. That's 12 women. It's a little weird. Seeing a million of these. The Ross Specials, the Challenger ATR Hokas. Those are 80. Got some Vans Old Schools for 33. Smaller sizes. Got some Hoka One right there. These are the Haoka? Yeah, these ain't got no price tag. Look at that. No price on it. All the Hokas have been going for $80 lately though. I'm not familiar with this silhouette, to be really honest. Some Go Run rides. Oh, these are the Goga mats. They had Go Run Ride 8s. I would so get them. $35. Where did I see Go Run rides? Oh, I saw them at WSS. I need to try a few more of those. Checking out the women's section. Just nada mucho. Not much at all. Do I see any sneakers worth showing you guys? Not really. Bunch of dress shoes and stuff. Bunch of empty spaces. All right, time to go to the next one. I think this is Hawthorne. You got a Ross here. Let's go. Damn, I kind of hope I don't find it. Look at how crazy the line is. But I gotta find something fire. Dude, this is actually dope, dude. I actually do like this one. Doesn't have the stitched in numbers though, but these are fire, especially for the price. $150 down to $40, and it does have the Super Bowl stuff on it. I can't wear KC, man. Like I said, this guy was my fantasy football like all-star, and I do root for the Chiefs because I got boys that root for the Chiefs. But yeah, I can't wear a jersey. I just can't do it. I'm looking for jerseys and stuff like that. But look at this, just sitting here, Pure Boost. These are from way back when. I actually have this exact same one, and mine's all yellowed. I'm gonna be honest, the Boost does yellow after a while. $25. These are hella comfy. Weird with the burrito tongue, but $25. That is a steal. I saw this, man. I was like, why is this blank, man? I thought this was a fire jersey. Double XL, $10. More of these Kelsey jerseys. 87. This is what? Double XL. DJ Metcalf jerseys, double XL. Triple XL, my bad. Triple XL. These bad boys. $130 down to, why is the Ross tag down here? Down to $40. Got a couple of these. And then a triple XL for these. I already bought one for my boy though. And then of course they had to juke me out right here with the U brand. Super low end stuff. Yeah, I'm never gonna find Mitchell and S. I'm okay with it. I'm coming into terms with it. It is what it is. Found some Pure Boost. Maybe we'll find a bunch of UltraBoost for $25. I don't know. Let's see. Looking for 8.5 UltraBoost. No luck. Do find some Stan Smiths right here. Oh, this is size 9 though. This is in the 8.5 section. No price. Got some Velcro Stan Smiths. These are going for $40. These are going for more than the UltraBoost. Okay, that makes sense. Chuck All-Stars. Rarely ever see OG stuff like this. $30. That's not bad. It's a smaller size. Got some Romas. $30. And these Superstars with, like, is it embossing or stamped leather? I don't know. No sizes. Oh no, I'm sorry. No price tag. I don't know. Size 8.5. One of these Blackhawks Kane jerseys. Been seeing a bunch of these. These are $30. That's not bad. More Hoka One. These are the Clifton 8s, going for $80. Size 9.5. So comfy. Some Solomons. A lot of people have been on Solomons lately. The Ultra Glides, never really seen these. I'm not too familiar with them. $70. Got a couple of them. More of these Under Armour slides. These are size 11, 22 for those. I know these go for way more, so that's a pretty good deal. More Clifton 8s, bigger sizes, $80. Did forget to show you guys what I'm wearing. Damn, is that a kid slobbering all over the freaking mirror right there? Airmore Tempo slides. And then doing a tank top. It's warm as hell outside, especially when I was waiting outside the Del Amo Mall just now. But yeah, man. Barely see any sneakers. See quite a few dress shoes that are just wherever. But yeah, not really see much. All right, I think I might have one more spot. Let's go. All right, store number 4. Let's go. Oh, this is right across the parking lot too. Seeing a lot of, is that Laker gold? I'm hoping. What is this? Oh, Lakers brand. Okay, this is NBA apparel. Not the greatest quality, but still super well priced. I guarantee you. Do any of these have tags? $17 for that. No, I'm good. Another Dodger shirt right here. I don't think there's a line here. All right, $40. Let me see if I can have a medium. New Era, $10 for this. This is pretty dope. A vintage, or wannabe vintage shirt. $10, not bad. More of these Padre shirts. Mitchell and S, $15. Natix brand Dodger shirts, $10. They do have the Mitchell and S one again for $15. I might have to grab this one. See if there's a line here. Dodgers Nike. Trevor Bauer? Believe so. I don't know all the baseball players, man. My bad, dude. I don't really follow baseball. $15. Mitchell and S white Dodgers shirt. This is the classic one. $15. Oh, blue. Let's see. White is doper, but white also turns yellow over time, and it doesn't take that long. $15. Look at how many there are. And then, of course, nothing in the shorts. Dang it. Is this Burlington an exact replica of that last store? Because look, exact same stuff. Okay, they got these everywhere. All the Burlingtons, $30 for those. This is in the size 10.5. And then look, this is what I've been talking about. UltraBoost, size 10 right here. $50. Oh hell no, y'all tripping. That's probably actually a better price, but still better price than Ross, because people still pay $50 for this, but still Ross is giving those to us for $25, man. That's crazy. What these Hardens going for? Do you got some Hardens right here? $40 for Hardens. These are size 9, all white, super clean. And of course more Trae Youngs, some Nautica 270s, smaller sizes off-court slides, Falcons. These are going for $15. More and ones that I don't remember, $20. All right, guys, that's pretty much about it. I'm gonna see if I could pay for this for $15. I think it's worth it. I'm not a huge Dodger fan, but I support the Dodgers. I'm from LA. See, that's what I'm talking about. No line. That's what's up. Wait, I'm going to the airport. Wait, what's up with these? What's $2? $2. That's not bad. And high shoes. Oh my goodness, these are so good. $6. I ain't trying to spend $6. I really don't need that much, but I'm just saying these are so freaking good. All right, not feeling any of the other snacks. Got some bootleg hats. That's about it. The original Randy's Donuts out in Inglewood. That's the one that Iron Man was sitting on. I think on what, Iron Man 2? It's all right. It's pretty decent. All right, last stop right next to LAX. Do got my last Ross for the day. Active Tops, another UCLA hoodie, $25. Got a soccer jersey, Italia soccer jersey right here, $30. I think these normally go for $90 MSRP. Another one of these, Kyler Murray. This is a small. This is another one for $40. This is a bootleg one right here, one of the really cheap ones. Under Armour hoodie. This is actually really thick, $25. Yeah, normally $80 down to $25. That's really nice. Nike sweatshirt, $22. This is This is really nice material. Is this dry fit? Oh, okay, it's dry fit. Then who is this? Jones? Tennessee Titans XL Jones. I have no clue who that is. $35. This is a pressed on one. Kind of a lower end one. Michigan pullover. $20. This is a large. Dang, that's Jordan brand too. Mets. This is a small. Going for $10. Nike. Oh, what was that? DeGrom jersey? DeGrom t-shirt. This is a Nike DeGrom t-shirt. Then another Kyler Murray. We've been seeing a ton of these. It's like a double XL, triple XL, something XL, double XL. And in the shorts, no Mitchell and S Love. I think I'm just going to these in the evenings, and I think we stock all the shorts in the morning. I don't know. Great. All right, I'm in the men's sneakers. Alarm's going off like crazy. Got some ZX750s. These look pretty clean. $450. $45 for these. Got some women's UltraBoost. What the hell are these? $25 for those. More of these Pure Boost, which are pretty comfy, but not what I'm looking for. Those are $25. Top 10s going for $45. That's way too much. Dude, got some Jordan 2 trays right here. Going for $70. These are huge. So like size 14, size 16. Holy cow. I'm specifically looking for 8.5. But you gotta check the entire store because that's how it works. Size 9, $80 for these Hokas. These are the Cliftons, the Clifton 5s, which are hella nice. Then we've seen the ATR Challengers right there. Dame 7s right here, size 7 though, smaller size. These are what, 20, $25 for these. I'm a fan of the Dame 7s. More Cliftons. These are huge sizes though. All the men's stuff is downstairs. I did come upstairs to the women's sections. Let's see what's up with the women's sneakers. There's a lot more freaking aisles. Pegasus Turbo Next Natures, $50. Pretty decent size 10.5 women's. So that size 9 men's. They have a ton of women's aisles, but nothing, man. Nothing to show you guys. I think we're gonna wrap it up, dude. Just ended up with one t-shirt. Did end up with a little dessert, I guess. And that's about it, dude. I guess not a dessert, a snack. That's about it, man. That's about it. We're gonna wrap it up, man. Can't win every trip. I'm on my way to the airport. I will be on a flight to Pittsburgh in a little bit. So yeah, I'll be hitting you guys up with more videos out from Pittsburgh. Make sure you guys help a boy out. Make sure you press that like button. If you're new, press that subscribe button. Make sure you guys support the channel by pressing on these videos right here. All right, got plenty coming. See you guys next one.